Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up payment gateways on your Shopify store so you can start accepting payments from your customers with confidence. Whether you're just launching your very first shop or you want to make sure your checkout process is smooth and professional, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add and customize payment options on Shopify. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to your Shopify admin page. If you're new to Shopify, this is basically mission control where you manage your whole store. So get comfortable navigating this area. Take a moment to log in. And once you're in, you should see all your store's tools and settings laid out in the sidebar. Now, look towards the bottom of the sidebar and click on Settings. This is where Shopify tucks away all the back-end magic. Everything from your store's details to taxes, shipping, and of course, payments. Go ahead and click Settings, and you'll see a big list of options appear. Next, locate and select the section called Payments. This is where you'll connect all the ways your customers can pay you. Think of it like setting up your cash register. You want it to be reliable and flexible so everyone can check out smoothly. Now, Shopify actually gives you a couple of ways to add payment gateways. If you're just getting started, look for the option that says Choose a Provider. Click that, and you'll be shown a list of popular payment processors like Shopify Payments, Stripe, and others. Shopify Payments is often the easiest because it's integrated right into the platform. But depending on where your business is based or the types of payments you want to accept, you might choose something else. Take your time to read through a few descriptions. Don't worry if you're not sure right away, you can always adjust these settings later. Chances are, you'll also want to set up a PayPal account since a lot of customers like the security and convenience PayPal offers. Shopify often creates a default PayPal Express checkout with the email address you use to sign up for your store, but you'll want to make sure that's connected to a real PayPal business account so the money actually lands where you want it. Click on the PayPal section, follow the prompts to connect your account, and Shopify will guide you through the rest. If you hit any snags here, take a breath. It usually just needs you to log into PayPal and grant permission. Nothing too scary. Don't forget to explore adding extra payment methods to give your customers even more flexibility. Maybe you want to accept Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even manual methods like bank deposits or cash on delivery. There's an Add Payment Methods button. Give that a click and see what works for your audience. Offering multiple options can make checkout easier for everyone and help you avoid abandoned carts. Now, when it comes to how you capture payments, there's an option called Payment Capture Method. This lets you decide whether payments are charged automatically when someone orders, or if you want to capture funds manually, for example, after you've confirmed stock or checked for fraud. For most stores, automatic capture is the simplest and safest, but if your business needs more control, manual capture is there for you. There's also a section for manual payment methods. This is great if you want to take offline payments like cash on delivery or direct bank transfers. Maybe your shop also works locally at markets, or you have wholesale customers who prefer to pay later. This feature gives you those extra options. Just set it up, add a description so your customers know what to do, and you're set. And finally, don't overlook payment method customizations. This lets you adjust how options show up at checkout, which can help reduce confusion and keep your branding consistent. Maybe you want to reorder payment methods so your preferred gateways appear at the top, or add custom instructions for your customers. This is where you can polish that final experience. That's all there is to it. Once you've set up and customized your payment gateways, your Shopify store is ready to accept orders and get paid securely. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or need more tips for optimizing your Shopify setup, drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.